Okay, gang, I'm back here now. Um, I spoke with Walthers support today, and the guy said that the gears might be dirty on the bridge. So I took the bridge off of the turntable and I turned it over. I'm going to get it in the screen here. Get it turned over. And these are the gears. And there's all black stuff in there, which is ballast that fell into the pit, so it picked it up. So I got to clean them off, and I got a micro Q-tip here. Might have to get something sharp to get in between there and get it out. Maybe a razor blade. Let me see, I got one of these old ones here. See if we can get them out. Yep, yeah, they're coming out now. So that's what was making the noise that I showed you guys in the other video. Yeah, yeah, the razor blade's doing its job. So I got to go up there and clean off the, I don't know if you can see me doing this, but, and I can't turn it. I don't know how I can turn it to see if there's any on the other side. I guess it's going to have to be by trial and error. It's hard to see if it's on the top, but I'll figure that out. So, to show you a couple other things. We'll come back to this and then I'll put it up on the turntable and then we'll see how it sounds later. I'll be back. Now, I also was working on another project. These old passenger cars, I've had these since 1960. And what they have in them is this. These are two LEDs, or two bulbs, and they were tied together. And if I take you up to there, I'll show you. I took the car, and let's turn the DCC system on, and the lights come on. Now, they're not really solid yet. That's pretty old, and I got to clean off and then solder it back on the plate again. But these I think you can see that still. Yeah, these here are the LEDs that I have. And they have a resistor already on the light, so I don't have to do anything but just solder them in the right place. So all four of these cars I'm going to use to on the layout eventually. And I got some F9 locomotives that I got to put DCC in. So that's Harley barking at the kids outside. So we'll be back after I test this out and see if I can clean it out anymore with the bridge, and then we'll see what it is. So if you ever have that problem, hearing noise and everything first thing to check is this gear here, if I'm showing it. Yeah, this gear right here. I'll use my thing here to point to it. And like I said, I saw all the ballast in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is jump up on the layout and get my vacuum out and vacuum out that pit and see how that is, and then we'll go from there. All the movement and everything, probably some loose ballast got in there, and I never really spent too much time on the turntable because I've been doing other electrical wiring and stuff and didn't have time to spend on it. But I wanted to get this. Now, he did tell me that once you take this off and you reset it to home, your service tracks should still be there. So we're going to see if that works too, because I set all the service tracks late last night. So I got them all set. So we'll see if that works. And otherwise I got to reset them all, and I hope I don't have to do that. But we'll see. So we'll be back later, and we'll see you all in a little bit. Take it easy. What are you barking at, Harley? Okay guys, I'm back, and I got it back on the turntable, and I cleaned out the gears, and let's see what it sounds like. Sounds perfect. So now I got to reset all the service tracks, because that was track 3 and that would have been the next one over. So I'm going to reset them all, and that's all it needed, was to have that gear cleaned. So that was it. Alright, so another problem solved. We'll see you all later.